Hello friends, now I'm going to show you how to replace the battery on APC Beck UPS ES700 model. I have obtained a new battery. First we need to turn it around, press here and slide this cover out. Here we see our battery. How to take it out? Just turn it around slowly and it will come out. Disconnect the two cables and put the new battery in. First connect the cables. First and the second, put it back in its place and slide back this cover, and we have an APC Beck UPS with a new battery. That's it. Thank you very much and good luck.